So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your download pending problem in your Google Play Store. The problem is when you try to download any apps in your Google Play Store, it will say download pending. As you can see, I am showing in the screen right now. So the solution is really simple. So before getting started, I would suggest you to please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos. So at first what you need to do is you need to go to the settings of your mobile. Okay, so just go to the settings of your mobile. So then what you need to do is you have to find apps and notification. As you can see in my option, it is apps and notification. In your case it can call only apps, so just go to apps option. So now here just click on see all apps. Okay, you have to click on see all apps. So now here you have to scroll down, it is sorted alphabetically, so you have to search for Google Play services. So as you can see, I will search for Google Play service. So as you can see, I have found the Google Play services. Just go to it, then here click on storage option. Okay, just here as you can see the storage option, click on storage and then here click on manage space. Okay, so now here you have to, at the bottom you can see that clear all data. Now click on clear all data. Okay, now here just click, you have to click OK. So then just you have to go back and again you have to just go back, and now here you have to go to your Google Play Store. Okay, here just go to the Google Play Store and now here you have to go to storage again. Okay, so now here you have to click on clear data. Okay, just click on clear data as you can see and then click on OK. Okay, so now your problem should be fixed, but for the safe case just restart your device once. Okay, just restart your device and then try to download the app. So your problem, if your problem is still persist after doing the whole process as I have showed you earlier, then what you need to do is you need to follow the second method. The second method is again go to the settings of your device and then just go to apps and notification or apps option and then click on see all apps, and then here you have to click on this three dot icon and then here click on reset app preference and then you have to here click on reset apps. I will not click on it because then my video recording will turn off, but you have to here click on reset apps and then you need to restart your device again like the previous one, and now your problem should be fixed. So my method will 100% work. So if you have faced any problem while doing the process of any process, then just let me know that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, if it works for you, then don't forget to like this video and please watch my other videos as well. Hope it will be as helpful as this video was helpful for you, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I am Mesh from TechMesh and I am signing out.